Hello everybody. Today we're going to make a screen capture to go along with knowledge base article KB127 focused on Canvas and Skyward grade syncing. This is a process that takes a couple steps but is pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. To start, you're going to want to go into Skyward and open up a gradebook. For this example, I will be using Bill Chessman's classes and his gradebook. When you come into your gradebook and you open up a class, you will open up one of your secondary gradebooks. I will select period 2 for Bill's. On this page in Skyward, there's a tab called Categories. You select that tab and you will see the grades that are added and that Bill is collecting for his second period English class. He is using in-class assignments and tests. And the reason why these things are important is that our assignments must carry the same names in order to properly sync from Canvas. So let's go to Canvas and see what we have for Bill's class. Inside Bill's English class, he has already selected and created 2 assignment groups for his classes. Assignments is what he called the first one, and warm-ups is what he called the second one. So we need to make sure that these carry the proper names in order to sync to Skyward and that the grades carry over. As of right now, they will not, because those terms are not found in our current category groups used in Skyward. These are the lists that are available to us in Skyward. His assignments are actually given in class, so it makes sense that we would call those in-class assignments. His warm-ups, however, we do not want to get confused with in-class assignments, and we want to keep them separate. One thing that would make sense for these would be considered problem of the day, because that's something he's not using right now. But in order to have this available to us, we need to make problem of the day available in Skyward. So we head back to Skyward in the same class that we were just in. We go to Add Edit Categories, and we're going to select problem of the day. Once we select it and click Save, you will see that it comes up right here in his list of available grading categories for his second period class. Again, back to Canvas. In Canvas, we want to change the name of these groups to match what we have in Skyward. So since he already has assignments here, we will go to the 3-button menu, click Edit, and we will change this to in-class assignments, the same way that it is listed in Skyward, and we will click Save. For his warm-ups, we will change that to problem of the day and click Save. Now, the name of the assignment groups will match what Bill has in Skyward. In-class assignments, problem of the day. Now Canvas knows where to put these in his sync, which is the next step to do. We have to actually sync the classes. So to do the sync, we will go to Grades. When grades come up, we will go to Actions and Sync to Grade Passback Service. By clicking that, it will ask us, what do you want to sync? We're going to have everything selected because with Bill being off, he hasn't done any of his syncs yet. He has 41 to do. We click Post Grades, and we will get a schedule, which we could actually click on to see how it's going. And it'll show here that in his classes, we have 41 assignments that are going to sync up, and it's running now. As this is running, I could just show you what we could see on our end, that Bill had problems. Errors came up when he tried to sync originally. Warm-ups was not found in Skyward. He had errors because warm-ups was not a legal, logical category of grades in Skyward. But now that I changed that to problem of the day, it should have no problem. This is going to run for a few minutes. Everything's going to sync up, and you should see a success and properly posted grades in Skyward. You will have to do this for each of your classes. And like I said, the process is pretty straightforward. You should move right through. If you need any help walking through, you could go to Knowledge Base, 127, Canvas and Skyward grade syncing, which will take you step by step, including the eligible categories. It will take you step by step toward starting and syncing your grades. Canvas Knowledge Base 040, adding assignment groups, will walk you through if you have to create your own assignment groups to create new ones. You're a couple clicks away from having your grades sync properly into Canvas, from Canvas into Skyward. Contact our tech department if you have any questions. Thank you.